Have you ever woke up and felt tired even though you have slept enough? Like mentally drained? Your body is okay, but your energy is very low. And you can't explain it to anybody. Like something is off and you can't explain it. This used to happen to me a lot, and I used to think that maybe I was lazy or I need some more motivation to wake up every single day. But that was not the case. It was that I wasn't lazy, I was brain, and I didn't even knew that. You know, on everyday basis we are trading our energy, like every single day. Maybe it's our thought, maybe we are talking to somebody, maybe what we think. We are always trading our energy. Everything either gives you energy or takes yours away. It's like your phone's battery. Just like if you open 10 apps in your phone and leave the music on blast, your phone's battery is going to die way sooner than before. Just like this, it's happened to us as well. There's something called energy chart level, and don't worry, I'm not going to go into that full scientific mode. I'm going to explain it very easier, and it's very simple to understand. So let me explain it. So here's the energy chart, and at the bottom we have low energy, where you are in jealousy, guilt, overthinking, hating yourself. All these energies are at the bottom part, and at the middle it's bare minimum. Like it's not that bad and not good either. It's scrolling, numbing your feelings, and just living without any feeling. Just be numb. At the top one, there's high energy, where you are creative, where you have peace, where you are enlightened, where you have joy, where you laugh until your stomach hurts. This kind of energy. You know, at some point you have manifested a lot, and now you think that how at that point whatever I used to imagine or whatever I used to manifest used to come true, and not now, because that time you were at your highest energy and now you are not. So yeah, you have to raise your energy from low energy to your high energy, and then the manifestation work. You don't chase, you will attract all the good things. And I know people throw around word like high vibe or manifest, like it's a buzzword. But no, how I understand it is like when you're drained, you can't think clearly, you are just trying to survive the day. But on the other hand, when you are energized, you're going to protect your peace from unnecessary attention. You are going to not involve in dramas, and at that time, you are going to attract right opportunities, people, even ideas, etc. That's how you manifest things. There was a phase where I caught myself in other people's dramas, other people's problem, listening to every rant, saying yes to every favors, keep quiet just to avoid awkward vibes, and then wonder why I felt invisible, heavy, and anxious. The truth was that I was leaking my energy. My energy was leaking constantly. And not once did I stop and ask myself, do I want to be a part of this conversation, or do I feel safe here, or do I feel comfortable in talking this kind of topic with them? And the answer was usually no. And obviously, I should have left, but I didn't. So let's talk about from where we get energy, that is energy givers. The first is listening to music that lifts your soul, journaling when I feel too much, dancing even if I'm bad at it, saying no and not feeling bad to do it, being around people who feel calm, not chaotic, moving our body like stretching, exercising, or going out for a walk, decluttering my space, choosing peace over proving a point, and that's very important. Don't tangle yourself in others' drama just because you want to prove that you are right. You know you are right, so just shut up and just do your things. Don't argue with them. They're not going to listen to you anyways. They're going to put their point first. So yeah, that's just waste of your time and waste of your energy, which is more important than proving a point. Now let's talk about the energy drainers, that is where our energy get leaks. So the first is gossiping or just being around people who are that kind of person who gossips. Second, overthinking everything we say or do. Third is pleasing everyone. And fourth is saying yes to everyone every time without thinking twice. Talking down to yourself even in your head. Hanging out with people who complains a lot, that will bring negative energy in your life. So stay away from people who complains and who always criticize you or always point out your insecurities. Yeah. And that's how you raise your energy and manifest everything you want. Not by wishing harder, but by aligning your vibe with the life that you actually want. Because when you're operating at high energy, at high frequency, you will not chase, you will attract. So, if you're feeling drained lately, maybe it's not you. It might be the noise, the people, the pressure. And maybe it's time to start protecting your energy. You don't need to be perfect, just start choosing what is better for you. Just one better thing at one time. A small shift at positive energy can save you a lot. So yeah, let's end this video here, and I hope you all like this and understood the meaning of energy and how to protect it. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.